Gentleman's Premium Box.
The Gentleman's Box Premium Box.
The Gentleman's Box Premium.
The Premium Subscription Box.
The Gentleman's Box Premium Edition.
Now the Premium Box is something completely different.
$100 per quarter.
It is 4 times a year.
You're getting, they say value over $300.
So the Premium Box is by invite only.
First, let's start with this box. And yes, it's literally a box.
And it's made of friggin' wood.
Wow. Off the bat.
The premium boxes come in a premium box.
Look at the inside here. Red velvet. This is red velvet lined and everything.
This isn't the Gentleman's Post. This is like the Gentleman's newsletter, much thicker.
Booklet actually has all of their stuff, what's in here, the brands that are also in here.
So that's why you gotta look at this guide. It shows you everything.
Probably the best part of the whole box.
Wow. Wow. The Tech Dot Kit looks really cool.
I'm so excited to get electronics. I don't own a pair of Bluetooth headphones. Like, how I've never bought a pair with all the things that I buy.
Because a big part of these boxes is just discovery. I would never think to look for something like this.
I'm very impressed with this box. I like it a lot.
I've been a member for a long time. I really love this premium box right here.
So my conclusion about Gentleman's Box stands is they always work to get you more than what you pay for in the box. It's kind of like Christmas every month.
Everything in the box is going to be pretty amazing.
But this is the premium box. There's a lot of items, a lot of quality premium items.